vibes ang hanap mo?
Chismis pa ng chismis, ayan. Nagbabalik tayo sa ating programa at eto na, wait lang, batiin natin yung mga nakatutok sa ating YouTube channel. Isang magandang gabi kay Ma'am Teresita Tienza. Sabi niya, ang galing ni Jay Martin with palakpak and mga heart-heart.
Thank you naman.
Sabi dito ni Beth Gray, nakakaiyak naman yung song mo with crying emoji sa ating YouTube channel. At watching siya all the way sa Cebu at sabi niya, binabato niya pala, sabi niya, maayong gabi, inyong tanan Cebu di Davao. Ayan, magandang gabi. And of course, sa mga taga-Leyte, ang ating avid viewer, listener, si Melvin Letrodo na nanonood sa atin. Isang magandang gabi. At si Bentong, yan, isang magandang gabi sa'yo. Mamaya, babalikan natin yung inyong mga pagbati pag meron pa tayong time. Pero eto na, kung nauna kanina si Sed, okay lang ba, Jay? Ikaw naman yung mauning ngayon. At
ako?
Okay lang.
Yes,
ano yung kakantahin mo for us? What's your another baon song for us?
Okay, my other baon is actually I released this at the same time. Simultaneous kong ni-release yung Kung Wala Na at saka itong song na to last February 14.
Oh, nung Valentine's Day.
And I called the music video launch as Co-Love.
Co-Love.
Parang collab kasi. So Co-Love music video, since dalawa yung music video na collab. Tapos itong song ko na to, collaboration for the first time with the Philippines Queen of Heartbreak Songs, Rachel Alejandro.
Wow, grabe naman yan. Pero may nagtatanong dito, wait lang.
Yes.
True ba daw yung Windblow music sa video? Parang ang tindi daw ng lamig. Ayon yun sa ating television technician. Sino ba naka-duty dyan?
It is real. It's not AI. Talagang snow yon.
Snow.
And ako pa din yung DOP doon. Ako yung cameraman. I place all my cameras.
Sariling
Sikap lahat. Mahirap ang di ba? Mahalang crew. So I place all my cameras sa snow. May time pa nga bumagsak na ganun because of the wind. But you will notice in the music video, again, it's on YouTube, Kung Wala Na by Jay Martin. Mapapansin ninyo, may mga shots dyan talaga, yung grabe yung blow ng wind.
Yes.
And if you notice, hindi lang kalbo yung trees because that's the first snowfall of
hindi pa
Toronto.
nagtatanggal yung mga
yellow leaves. So nag-aagawan pa yung winter and autumn. So ganun siya ka-meaningful. Kaya parang kung wala na, parang it's something like
parang symbolism
yan.
Yes,
Na nag-aagawan na parang kung wala na, sige na please, go ahead. Mag-winter ka na nga.
Grabe.
Parang gano'n. Ang sakit
Diba?
Bumabalik tayo sa kung wala
kasi
na.
si Papa O kasi.
When Papa O first saw the music video, parang nagulat siya. Wow, ang galing. Pero yun yung meaning nun. Kasi nga nag-aagawan yung autumn and winter.
Weather.
Yes. So kung wala na, please magbago na. Ito na.
Ito na lang.
So same with the emotion we have.
Yun. And itong next song mo ay
also emotionally charged.
At ang title na to?
Ang Una at Huli.
Grabe, di ba? Diba?
Hindi na ako magmamahal pa.
Una at huli. Grabe.
Ito na. Parang ikaw. Magpapakasal ka na. Una at huli mo na dapat yun.
Dapat lang. Kasi di ba ang hirap ng papalit-palit.
Oo, pero you know what? Ako nakuha ko, magpalit. Okay lang.
Alam mo, hindi kaya kinakaya yung powers na sa gano'n.
No. Just you know what? Kasi kaya ako pro. Wag na, baka maging divisive pa tayo.
Hindi, it's okay.
Kaya ako pro-divorce ako.
May mga taong gano'n, di ba? Kasi kapag hirap na hirap ka na sa isang sitwasyon,
kung wala na,
di ba, let go mo.
Let go mo na.
Di ba, una at huli. Charot. Eto na nga, bago pasok pa tayo mapunta, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with his song, Una at Huli.
With Miss Rachel Alejandro.
Yes,
Yan.
Jay Martin.
Thank you, Elaine. Una at huli. Una at huli. Di na akala na mararamdaman ang labis na pag-iisa ng iniwan.
Aaminin kong ako'y nagkamali. Umaasa na
p.m. Catch me, guys. J. Martin and the Retrospect Band. I'll be doing this song, and Kung Wala Na.
Kung ika'y lumisan na, iwag ng kama ay dama. Mga unang akap-akap, anong sarap hanap-hanap. Ikaw, pari, ang hinanap-hanap ng puso ko. Puso, ang siyang laging laman ng panaginip ko.
Sabi naman yun! Akala mo merong nag-comment dito. Gusto mo ba marinig?
Oh, what?
Sabi pa naman niya dito, wala naman siyang una at uli, siya nga ang nang iwan eh.
Naka-follow.
Grabe siya, grabe
Sinusubaybayan
siya.
niya. No,
Grabe
no, it's
naman
not that. You
dyan.
know what? I'm just being true to myself.
yes,
Just like my advisor said, and to
yes.
all the starter, I mean, you know, those people who are just starting with their career, you just have to be true to yourself.
Yes,
Authentically true to yourself. Kung anong nararamdaman mo,
Express mo
lang. Pero bahalang problema na nila yun.
Oo, di ba? May mga taong judgmental kasi you cannot please everyone. no?
everyone.
Pero eto na nga muna.
Hindi ako nangiiwan ng gatong tagalang.
Ha? Nakakaloka ha? Nakakaloka si Papa O ha? kung wala na ha? Kala ko ba? Pero eto na, thank you Jay, babalikan kita mamaya. And of course, eto naman, kung ikaw ay una at huli, eto naman sa kanya Jealous. So, cover song, this is a cover song.
Yes, a cover song. Yes. Kasi na-inspire ako sa sa kanta ni Kuya Jay kanina.
Ah, talaga ba?
Sa hita, no?
Oo,
Masarap-
so
masarap-
gusto mo rin yung mga ganon.
Ang sarap in-nurture yung minsan yung sakit, para maramdaman mo.
Oh, tapos
Oo.
marami ka natututunan din kasi doon.
Ganon din. Oo. Para makamove on ka kagad.
Yes,
Yun
tama.
din.
Oo. Kasi kapag natuto ka na, at least, kumbaga, lesson learned na yun for you.
Tama.
At
Depende.
eto na. Eto na. Depende. Sabi niya, minsan kahit masakit, gusto ko ulit-ulit lang masaktan.
Kasi kung kung ma-fall in love ka talaga, hindi mo talaga masasabi na kung
Yung parang,
oo. Masarap part sa ang magmahal is part talaga.
ay, hindi, yung masaktan, part ng pagmamahal.
Part ng pagmamahal, I mean.
Yun,
Yan.
yun.
Yes.
Kaya eto na, dahil gusto niya po ng masakit.
Sana masaktan kayo.
Sana saktan kayo. Ladies and gentlemen, Sad Concepcion. Jealous. Sorry, Kuya Jerry.
I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind. 'Cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But you always thought you'd come back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. I'm jealous of the nights that I don't spend with you. I'm wondering who you lay next to. Oh, I'm jealous of the night. I'm jealous of the love that wasn't here, gone for someone else to share. Oh, I'm jealous of the love, 'cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But you always thought you'd come back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. As I sing in the sand, watch you sleep through my hands. Oh, as I die here another day, 'cause all I do is cry behind this smile. I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me.
Diba? Ninanamnam ko din yung lyrics nung kinakanta mo. Hi.
You know what he reminds me of? He reminds me of Sofronio.
Sopronio.
I was like, look at him. Yeah, the way you express yourself through singing. It's like Sofronio. Yeah.
Thank you.
Grabe, coming from Sir J. Martin.
Yes.
At alam nyo, gustuhin ko man na mag-extend tayo, baka ma-memo ako. So, kailangan na nating magpaalam. Pero,
Yeah.
alam mo, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sinamahan tayo. Ang gaganda ng mga comment nila. Sabi dito, ang ganda ng boses nyong dalawa sa
Thank
ating
you.
YouTube
Oh,
channel.
thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
at
very
thank you
much.
for sharing your talent, lalo na sa ating mga kababayan. Sa mga, ang dami nating viewers and listeners, lalo na sa mga probinsya. Actually, malakas ang DZRH sa mga probinsya.
Thank you very much. And
Yes.
can I make a shout out?
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
So yung last ko pong kinanta, ang Una at Huli's music video is now out also on YouTube. Thank you to of course the JF Productions for helping me out. Jenny Francisco, to my technical director Jenny Francisco, and my editor Ray. Thank you so much, guys. And check out the music video of Ang Una at Huli. Mapapasayaw po kayo dyan.
Yes.
And maraming salamat sa Retrospect Band ko. And to Fem Manila for backing me up with the dance routines and whatnot. And once again, tonight, nasa Winford Resort and Manila.
galing.
Resort and Casino Manila ako. No? At 11 p.m. Yung mga nagte-text po sa akin, yes, I'll be there tonight. Hindi po ako 8 p.m. 11 p.m. back to normal programming po tayo. And
Ayun.
next Saturday, nandun pa rin po ako. But come March, I'll be doing the residency gig every Tuesday night sa Hippodrome Bar and Lounge of Twinford, Manila.
Antaray naman. Congratulations.
Thanks,
Nakakatuwa.
yeah. And add me please, like and follow my handle
Ay, go
on social
ahead.
media.
Social media accounts.
At J Martin, that's JMRTN official. At J Martin official on IG, Facebook, TikTok. May TikTok din
Wow,
ako.
taray, TikTok ka na rin.
And my YouTube channel, The Retrospect Show with J Martin.
Ayun.
Ayan, abangan nyo yung bagong mga episode na magaganap dyan.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Jay, for sharing your talent and
Thank
for
you.
inspiring our artists.
Thank
And
you.
of course, Ed, go ahead.
Yes, I would just like to shout out my family there. Sednatics family, actually, Cali fam. And of course, Archangel family. And I just also wanted to thank Papa O, Miss Elaine, of course. Kuya Jay.
Thank you,
And
Sed.
I just also wanted to promote my socials. Please follow me, Sed Concepcion only, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Nagigig ka ba, Sed?
No, I am actually a full-time streamer, guys. So you can catch me if you can.
Saan?
Sa
TikTok?
TikTok at saka sa Bigo.
Live.
Bigo
Ay,
Live, yes,
ayun.
yes.
So,
Awesome.
Kasi yung mga artist natin talaga, no, mga nag-i-streaming kayo.
Yes,
At,
yes,
yung
yes.
ibang ayaw na lumabas, nanonood sa inyo. no?
Yes.
At nakakatuwa. Kumikita ba talaga doon?
Yes.
Oo,
Meron
sabi
naman
niya.
daw. Meron na.
Meron
And
naman.
Elaine,
So
thank
far.
you.
Thank
Thank you for
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
such a good host. Thank you
Oh,
very,
thank you
very
so
much.
Napaka-arte. Thank you so much. Na para ba ang kinaganda niya?
Parang ano siya, no? Lighter version ni Lovie po.
Hindi lang ikaw nagsabi niya.
Diba?
Wait lang. Ayun.
And of course, I'd like to thank DZRH.
Yes,
The guys, the
DZRH,
technical guys.
yes.
Yeah,
Boys.
that's
Thank you so much,
Kuya
Kuya
Jerry.
Jerry.
Thank
Kuya
you.
Ed.
Thank you very much
And
for-
RH Television, thank you sa ating mga technician dyan sa taas, sa RH TV. And thank you so much. Inuuna ako. Sorry, excuse me. Oy, nanonood kasi sa atin. Ang daming sabi dito, wow, ang ganda ng boses. Oh, shout out sa aking future mother-in-law, Tita Lolita Palangka Manalo. She's watching right now. Sabi niya, ang ganda daw ng boses niyo.
Wow.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Tita.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank you.
And kay Melvin Ogbamin. Ayan, isang magandang gabi. Oy, sorry sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. Ang galing nyo daw, sabi ni Delay Bartolome. Ang daming mga compliment dito. Kaya, hindi ko na kayo maiisa-isa. Pero thank you so much sa pagsuporta nyo sa ating programa at sa ating local artists at sa ating mga kasama ngayong gabi. Ayan, follow nyo na sila sa kanilang social media. Go ahead.
Last
Go,
words.
go, go.
I'd like to say hello to all of my family, and friends over there on Guam. Half a day, everybody. Namiss ko na kayo. I might be seeing you next week. And of course, my family there in Canada, Vancouver, in Toronto, in LA County. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, my homies over here in Manila. Please, continue supporting J Martin of Retrospect and thank you po sa inyong mga support at download na po ang aking bagong songs Kung Wala Na by J Martin, composed by Otek Lopez, and Ang Una at Huli by J Martin and Rachel Alejandro, composed by yours truly, released through J-Ro Productions USA and Godspeed Music Label and Otek Lopez.
Ayun. Thank you, Papa O. And of course, J. Martin of Retrospect. And of course, Sed Concepcion. May nagtanong ka ano mo daw si Sam Concepcion.
Pinsan.
At maraming salamat, Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers, listeners. Maraming salamat po. And again, this has been Sister L.
Thank you!
Elaine Apit. And reminding you, sa bawat nota ng buhay, may himig ng pag-asa. And of course, Monday to Friday with Lakay Mayor Deo Macalma, Damdaming Bayan, alas 8 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Pilipinas ang oras, 8 minuto makalipas na po ang alas 7 ng gabi. Susunod na ang programang Hanap Buhay Diaries kasama si Kyle Bulyas.
Amoy forever. Amoy LQ.